Hi guys, Tony here from Mike Autos. Today I'm going to show you how to put a Mark IV Ford Focus into service mode with an electronic park brake. First, what you want to do is, with ignition on, you want to make sure that the handbrake is off. So you do this, obviously pull up, that's the handbrake on. You want to push down your foot on the brake, and then your caution light will go out on the dash over here. Okay, once that's done and it's deactivated, turn the ignition off and then turn the ignition back on. Put your foot on the accelerator pedal, then press and hold the park brake down, then turn the ignition off and then on within 5 seconds. You'll hear the motors in the rear activating. Your maintenance light will start to flash. Keep everything held down and you'll see now park brake maintenance mode activated. Okay, let your finger off the park brake and the accelerator, switch ignition off, and you'll see now it's in park brake maintenance mode. So you can now work on the rear brakes with no problems. You just push the pistons back, do your brakes as normal, and replace the brakes, discs and pads, whatever you're doing. To get it out of maintenance mode, this is how you're going to do it. So again, turn the ignition on, put your foot on the accelerator. This time round you're going to pump the brake pedal for at least 1 second, let off, and then pull up on the parking brake. Switch ignition off, switch ignition on, and now you'll hear the motors reactivating. And you'll see that the park brake is now on, orange lights out, brake lights on,